how to update Telegram application. So if you want to update your Telegram application, then first you need to check your internet connection. So you need to have a stable internet connection to update your Telegram application. So check your internet connection, and then if it's stable, so you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and then go for the search icon which is on the upper right and search for Telegram. Once you've searched for Telegram, here you will have this Telegram application, right? So here on the right side, instead of that open button, you will have an update button. But if you don't have an update button, then don't worry because your app is up to date. But if you have an update button, then simply tap on update, and you need to update your application, because if you don't update your application, then you will find many problems or you will have many errors on your Telegram application. And once you update it, your problems will be solved. So once you tap on update, it will start the update process, and that's it. That's how you update your Telegram application. And now you can tap on open and you can use your Telegram. So once you have open button instead of update button, then that means that your Telegram has been updated. So that's how you update your Telegram application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.